Hello friends, welcome to our 6th day of 10 days aptitude challenge organized by Exploit VS Technology. Today's aptitude topic is ages. I hope you all are getting the stuff what I am teaching since day first. If not, please don't be afraid of asking. Just put your questions in comment box. I will resolve your doubts. Then okay, let's start to our today's topic. Let me show some basic concepts on ages. Guys, whenever I'm giving you the basic concepts, you have to note it down, or if not, then take a screenshot of it and it will help you to solve further problems on individual topics. Now move towards our basic concepts. Let the current age is x, then n times the age is nx. If the current age is x and then the n years later is x plus n, and if the current age is x, then age n years ago is x minus n. Whenever they ask about n years later, so you have to add the current age and that n years, and for ago or before you have to subtract the current age and the n years. Okay, now if they ask about ratio, that is a is to b, then it will be as ax and dx. And the last one is, if the current age is x, then 1 by n of the age is x by n. Remember this. Whenever you solve problems on ages, you will get an idea what they asked and what you have to solve. Now, let's go for the first problem. First one. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Ronit. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Ronit's age. After further 8 years, how many times would he be of Ronit's age? Now, let the Ronit's present age be x years, then father's present age will be x plus 3x, because father is aged 3 times more than his son. Which gives 4x years. Now comparing these two, after 8 years we get 4x plus 8 is equals to 5 by 2 x plus 8. Now, why we take 5 by 2? Because 2.5 is equals to 5 by 2. Simplify this problem. These two will go in right side and 5 remains at the LHS. Multiply 8 to each term in LHS and RHS respectively. After simplifying this expression, we get 8 as the value of x. Now, after further 8 years means total 16 years, because 8 years plus 8 years is equals to 16 years. By taking ratio, that is 4x is for father's age and 16 is for after 16 years. And the x for Ronit's age, and similarly 16 is for 16 years. By dividing these two terms, we get 2 as output. So 2 times would his father be of Ronit's age after total 16 years. Look for the second problem. Second one is the sum of ages of 5 children born at the interval of 3 years, each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? Now, there are 5 children and they are at intervals of 3. Let's consider the ages of children be x, x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12. Because of 3 years interval, and it's given that sum of 5 children ages is 50 years. So add these ages and which is equals to 50. Now by calculating the expression, we will get 5x is equals to 20. Which is x is equals to 4 years. So the age of youngest child is 4 years. Here is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you gain some knowledge from this video. Thank you guys. Let's meet again in the next video.